so we're here today with Emily. We're going to interview her. Emily, what is your full name?
Emily Christine Carolyn Peters.
Okay. What's the date you were born?
June 14th, 1997.
Ew, even
Where
ugly
were you
birthday.
born?
What?
Where were you born?
Like in the hospital?
No, like county.
For 123. What?
What county? Like
What hospital?
okay, Pennsylvania.
That's a state, Em. Bucks County. Wait, no.
All right.
What hospital? I don't know. Like St. Mary's?
How many
St.
brothers
Jude?
and sisters do you have?
One brother, one sister.
Name.
My brother's name is Brian, and my sister's name is Jenna.
What are your parents' names?
My mom's name is Rhonda, and my dad's name is Michael.
What college do you plan on attending?
Well, you see, I want to be a rocket,
Okay.
but if I'm not a
So
rocket,
you want to go to Juilliard?
well, if you're a rocket, you don't go to college, but you can go part-time. But if my rocket dream doesn't work out, I'd probably maybe attend Bloomsburg. Maybe.
Okay.
Or
Very good college.
I don't know, I like
And what would you
Bloomsburg.
attend Bloomsburg for?
I want to be a teacher.
A teacher.
Oh, kids.
Miss with me.
Okay.
Why do you like dancing?
Why do you like dancing?
I love dancing because I